Welcome back to the channel, guys. So as you can see, we have purchased a wide body kit for our 335i. Now this kit that we have purchased, it is a Pandem wide body kit. Now you can purchase a Liberty War kit, but I don't think they look as good as these kits today, guys. So this kit comes as a full set. So if you look down here, you do get a front bumper, you get the front arches. These front arches basically bolt onto the original wing, guys. The rear arches, obviously, they don't go on the rear quarter. You got these little scoops here, guys. I'm not sure what you call these panels, but they just sit on the lower part of that rear bumper. And as well as that, guys, you do get a massive spoiler. Well, it's not a massive one, it's quite a chunky one, but it just sits along here, guys, on the back. It's kind of a drag style spoiler, so this one will be coming off, and we will be replacing that with the original Rocket Bunny one. But the only problem is, it's not here just yet, guys. We are still waiting for that spoiler to get here. When it does get here, we can kind of show you what it looks like. But yeah, guys, so this kit is not going to be an easy kit to install. Now, believe it or not, I actually purchased the kit before we actually purchased the car itself. So we've had this kit for a while now. We've just been sitting around with the kit, and lucky for us, guys, we found a 335i for the right price. And this is the whole reason why we actually purchased this car, guys. It is because of the wide body kit. So on this kit, you do have all the little holes where the hardware goes. Holes there, and there. And all you do is basically send your hardware through there, and that attaches straight onto the panels themselves. So if I just put that there, you drill a hole through there, drill a hole to the bumper as well, and you just send your hardware through there. The only issue is, guys, we have not received the hardware just yet. We are still waiting for the hardware to get here, so we can't really make a start on the kit unless we have the hardware. So yeah. I can kind of show you what the kit will look like. So I'll show you what the rear arch will look like. It's going to be a lot wider, maybe about 3-4 inches wider. Actually, probably more than that, to be honest, way more than that. Something like that.
It does look quite wide.
Yeah.
Compared to the other side.
Now, guys, we do need to cut the arches for this. So if you come around this way, we just show them. So you can see where the actual panels are of the car. We do need to cut all this bit out right here, guys, because the rims that we are going to purchase for this car, they are going to stick out quite a bit. They will come out to about here, guys. And for that to happen, the rims do need to come out the arch. Obviously, right now, if you were to push these out, they'll probably rub against this arch just here. So we do need to cut all along here, bring the rims out to about here, and hopefully when we do bring the rims out, they won't have any issues with rubbing.
I just can't wait to start working on it and start, cutting out that rear arch, the bumper, start filling up all the panels, aligning it. I mean, it will be quite fun. We ain't done it before.
Yeah, it's the first time doing it. Yeah. So there's gonna be a lot of adjustments that need doing, because I know the kit, when it goes on, it's not gonna fit perfectly. You do have to make a lot of tweaks and adjustments to actually get it to fit right. And from what I know, every single panel will need a skimmer filler to kind of smooth it all off, because right now, it's not perfectly smooth, and obviously, as you guys know, we want to do things the right way, and to do it the right way, you are going to have to give it a skimmer filler to get it all smoothened out. So when you do paint over it, everything's going to look like it's kind of OEM, even though it's a massive wide body kit. So yeah, guys, for this kit, you do need the M3 side skirts. So if you look down here, guys, we have purchased the M3 side skirts. Now the kit itself, the lower part of this arch, it kind of molds into the M3 side skirt shape. So that's why we have purchased the side skirts. The M3 bonnet, you don't have to purchase this bonnet for this kit, but we thought, why not just get the bonnet as well? We actually got that for a good price. I think it's like £360, is it?
About £350.
£350, yeah.
Delivered.
That's actually a bargain, to be honest, because I saw one with a massive chunk missing out of it, and that guy was selling his for like 300 something. So far, the mods that we have done, carbon fibre roof, Alcantara roof lining, we've done the carbon fibre interior trims as well. Now we're going to be doing the wide body. That's the whole reason why we bought this car, guys, to do a wide body kit.
I mean, once we got the kit on, I mean, it's going to be looking insane.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube of these cars driving around with the wide body kit, and it looks absolutely ridiculous, guys. So I can't wait to actually get them on, just to see how it looks. And this is a car that we're not going to be, looking to make money on. This is more of a car that myself and Z are going to keep. And it's more of a weekend car, just kind of have fun in. But in the meantime, what we can do is we can actually get the side skirts fitted on. We can get that front bumper on as well. We can't really secure the front bumper, but we can kind of sit it onto the panels, just so we can show you guys how it looks. And you guys can just comment down below what you think of the wide body kit. This is a Pandem wide body kit. and it's not a Liberty Walk kit, because I know a lot of you guys are familiar with Liberty Walk, but this is a completely different company and a completely different look. This is a Pandem Widebody kit, and I had the chance to get the Pandem or the Liberty Walk. Originally I wasn't a Liberty Walk, but then I changed my mind because I just think this kit just looks so much more better and so much more aggressive as well. So comment down below, guys, what you guys think of the Pandem kit. So yeah, without talking too much to you, let's just get the side skirts on, let's get that front bumper on as well, and let's just see how it looks, and you guys can basically drop your comments down below. Take a look, guys, the Widebody kit has been fitted up, and we just taped it on just to roughly show you guys how it's going to look once it's all been put together. And I mean, right now the alignment looks absolutely dreadful, but this is just like a rough alignment just to kind of show you guys what's going to look like once it's all on. Look down here, guys, where you got the side skirt, where it so yeah, the rear arch, as you can see, it just fell off the car. It has been taped on, guys, so obviously it's going to fall off. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, guys, I did get a little scared there. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is hopefully next week we start work on this body kit. We do need to make sure you got the hardware before you actually start working. There's a lot of work that needs doing. We need to sand it down, adjust it, modify it. The lower part of the arch, just along here, guys, is going to need a lot of modifying to get that to sit flush with the side skirts, especially along here, guys. See, there's a massive gap there, so we do need to do something about that. So hopefully eventually we can figure it out. Lucky for us, guys, we do know someone that actually works with the fiberglass kits. He actually modifies them and makes them as well. So if you do actually struggle on this build, there's a good chance we'll be going down to him to get some advice and how we should go about doing different modifications here and there. Because like I mentioned before, I am concerned about the side skirt. The panels are not sitting right along the side skirts, so there's a good chance we're gonna have to make some adjustments, maybe some cuts, maybe add on some more carbon fiber and mold it out into the same shape of the side skirt. Yeah, fiberglass. What did I just say?
Carbon fiber.
Okay, I'm too used to the carbon fiber inside the car, guys. I'm still stuck on that video. Anyways, yeah, this is the next step for this build, the Widebody kit. It's a massive step for the build. This is something that's going to completely change the look of the car. So comment your thoughts down below, guys, on the kit, and let us know what you think about widebodying the car, because I know a lot of you guys are going to like it and a lot of you guys are not going to like it. But for now, guys, I guess we're going to end the video there. Is there anything you want to add in before we end the video?
Yeah, as I mentioned before, it's going to be a one-up-one BMW once it's on the road, and yeah.
Oh, that's about to go now, guys. We have to end the video there before all these panels fall off. So thanks a lot for watching. Yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video.